Steps to binding large documents using the Coverbind Accel Flex 5000. First, measure the document to be bound using the cover size selector on the cooling rack and select your cover. Second, load your document into the cover and drop it into the Flex 5000. Third, drop your covers into the Flex 5000, align and jog your sheets, making sure all your sheets are flat on the heat plate and into the cover spine. The unit starts automatically and a tone indicates when the covers can be removed. Fourth, remove the covers from the Flex 5000 and drop them into the cooling rack. Once again, make sure your sheets are aligned and jogged into the covers. Fifth, let it cool for 5 minutes. Sixth, your document is complete, professionally and securely bound.